Welcome to DCAC Going Green, your channel for information and news about living a sustainable lifestyle. I am Doug.
I'm Alex.
Welcome to episode 1. The channel will be featuring information to help you go further and faster on the road to a sustainable lifestyle and lowering your carbon footprint. Topics will include
Organic food,
electric transportation,
solar power,
organic gardening.
and tiny homes.
We'll also be doing news updates on people and companies helping to make a change, and also reviews on eco-friendly tech and products.
If you find our channel interesting, please click the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss one of our awesome videos.
And if you like this one, please click on the like button. We'll be posting a new show every Sunday. Tech reviews and product reviews will be on Wednesdays. Please comment below and let us know what topics you would like us to cover. A little background on us. I grew up on a small dairy farm in Idaho. I have an education in agriculture and a degree in radio and television production. I spent 20 years on the road as a sound engineer in festival production for over the last 10 years. I've been eating organic food for over 27 years, have been researching sustainable living since I moved to Oregon in 1990.
And I didn't grow up on a farm. I grew up on a house on a highway, which is where I developed my love for cats and dogs. And then we moved to a semi-farm, which then I kept growing my love for cats and dogs. I also grew my love for a thing called Lego. Visit our channel, DCAC Brick and Brick.
Coming to you soon.
Yeah. Anyways, and then I found out about Tesla and SpaceX, which I'm obsessed with, and I do research on it in school. So yeah, that's my life story.
So far, and we really enjoy a sustainable lifestyle. Come and follow us as we go on to becoming more sustainable and bring you along for this journey.
This week we want to talk about the myth that organic food is just way more expensive than non-organic food, and that people just can't afford it.
Well, we will not only debunk this myth, but we'll show you strategies on how to buy organic food and not break the bank. First, if there's a farmer's market in your area, they are a great source of quality organic food and more.
It's always a great place to make friends with the people who make your food, and they will most likely give you a lot of info on how and why they grow the food that they do.
CSAs are also a great choice.
That stands for Community Supported Agriculture.
Most of them are small family farms, and you buy a share in the crop for that year. Most farms let you come out and see the farm, and some will even have their patrons come out and help grow their food. They always have a wide variety of in-season fruits and vegetables.
Many of these will also have eggs, milk, and meat products for part of their yearly share.
Local organic food co-ops are also another great choice. Many of you will live close enough to one, and they are a great place to go and have community around your food choices. Here in the Portland area, we have several good choices. They will often have local farms who supply them with their products.
We will put links below for our local ones and some of the national ones as well.
As far as retail stores go, in our area we have found that Costco has the best deals on organic food.
Really good.
Really good. Since we have started shopping there, we have cut our food bill in half. They have a wide variety of products.
Also, they have great dog food that is organic, and our dogs love it.
Costco has its own line of organic foods to choose from, and many are grown right here in the Pacific Northwest.
They also have a lot of certified green products, from cleaning supplies all the way down to mattresses that are certified friendly materials.
1 week's trip to them pays for your yearly membership, so we feel that it's a no-brainer. Also, if you have a grocery outlet in your town, it's another great source of bargains on organic food. They may not always have exactly what you're looking for, but they always have new and different varieties of products that you may have not purchased. Most of the stores are locally owned and operated. We also use our local Kruegers store.
Fred Meyer.
They've come a long way in recent years to offer some great prices nationwide with the Simple Truth organic line of products. From food to cleaning supplies, they offer great choices at a good price for all of your eco-friendly needs.
They have become one of the largest suppliers of organic food products nationwide.
We've also found that our local Safeway store offers their O line of products, and often at very good prices. There are other national and regional chains, i.e. Whole Foods and here in Oregon, New Seasons, that offer a good variety of products. Always check on their sales for the products that you are looking for. For online purchasing, we've just found out about Thrive Market. They advertise up to 50% savings on all orders and have a massive amount of organic and non-GMO foods delivered directly to your door. We're going to give them a try in the near future and we'll get back to you on what we find.
Check out the links in the description below for them and all of the other stores we've talked about. Now, how does all this information have to do with the myth that organic food is way more expensive? Well,
nationwide, organic farming is 7% more expensive on average than conventional. But when you shop wisely and local, you'll find that the benefits outweigh the small increase in prices. Remember that eating organic is an easy and simple way to not only benefit your own life, but greatly decrease the impact on others, including the farmers and food workers that are not exposed to harmful pesticides and other chemicals, and the benefits to the animals that are being raised for you. Growing your own food, of course, is the best way to go if you have the space. In future shows, we will cover many aspects of organic gardening and share with you our insights in the pleasures of growing your own food. For those of you who do not have the space to grow, there's always community gardens and local groups that have spaces that you can share. We will also cover small in-home gardens and many other ideas.
in short, organic food is one of the best ways to go to benefit the environment. We have been doing this my entire life and half of his. So if you can, you better do it right now. Go out there and get it done.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
In other news, we'd like to give a shout out to Tesla for delivering over
112,000 electric cars in the fourth quarter of 2019.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 112,000 more electric cars are on the road today, thanks to Elon and his great crew.
And that's not including these little ones. Focus, camera. Come on, you can do the camera.
It's not going to focus.
Okay, well, they're little Teslas. That's not including those.
All right. We will also be following Tesla and many other car companies that are producing the next generation of e-cars, and we hope to join all of you who have bought one with buying one of our own very soon.
Hopefully the Cybertruck.
Yes, we're definitely buying a Cybertruck in 2023 when that comes out.
We like it.
Yes, we definitely do.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more updates on this channel. Also, thanks to SpaceX for kicking the space program back into full steam.
I am a complete space travel nerd, and I love what they're doing, so good on you.
And lastly, we'd like to give Zach and Jesse of Now You Know a big, huge shout out. Check out their show on the link below.
They're the ones who inspired us to do all of this great work, and without them, we probably wouldn't be here. Well, we probably would be, but...
Probably not.
Probably not.
Anyway, on their show this week, they had a show about the food sharing app Olio. That's O-L-I-O. This is a great organization that is setting up local contacts for neighbors around the world to share food with each other through their app. Please click on the link below for the website and help us start more of these community-based projects in your area. We will be doing a show on them in the near future, but until then, check out the Now You Know link below. So, until next week, be kind to each other and the little blue ball we call home. Peace.